and I also answer your questions. So today is a high impact news event CPI that is going to come on 8:30. So we are waiting. First of all, we will learn how to do top down analysis. Let me go to the weekly time frame. I'll remove all of these things. So this is our weekly time frame. As you can see, the market, gold market is making higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, and it is going up. And here is um, what I do. I add alerts at specific points where I want to enter the market. Like let me show you. This is a weekly time frame, and there is a fair value gap down here. This is our weekly fair value gap. Now, if the weekly time frame is not clear, we move down to the daily, and if the daily is not clear, we move down to 4 hour or we will not trade. Now, if I move down to 1 day time frame, so this is a daily time frame. As you can see, the market has tried to go into this fair value gap but could not because the market is bullish. Now we see if there is any kind of SMT, like this is a low of 20 September. We see SMT with silver of gold. See, the market of silver has taken this low, but gold has not took it yet. So there is a bullish SMT. What 70% of the time, high or low of the week is going to form on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. See here, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday, and today is CPI news. So let's move down to more on our. See, inside this daily there is also a fair value gap, but so we move our weekly. Now this is our daily fair value gap. Now if I move down to 4 hour time frame, this is the 4 hour time frame, and what are the things that you have to keep in your mind while trading? Let me tell you first of all these things. If I move to 1 hour time frame, this is our weekly open. At this point, this is our weekly open. Now I mark my daily open. This is our daily open. Now if we want to buy, then we are going to buy below this daily open for better risk reward ratios, and vice versa for selling. Like if we want to buy, this is our open here. This is our NDO, new day open. If we want to buy, we only are interested in buying if the market goes below this. In this is a New York session. First of all, if you have not changed your time, like change your time to New York local time, UTC -5. After that, see, change your forex market, forex factory time to. Here is how you change this one. Here, like you, this is also UTC -4. So you can see at 8:30 there is CPI and consumer price index, a major news event. that is going to decide the direction of the market. Like news trading is just like gambling. For someone asked me a question that tell me about news trading. Like news trading is just gambling. If you do news trading, no one knows where is the market is going, because on news, how we are going to know that what news is going to come, and then we can trade. Like first of all, let the news came and wait for the market to adjust, and then you just wherever the market wants to go, wherever the market wants to go, it is going to go there. News is just manipulation or whatever it do, but we do not trade news. Don't trade before almost 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after news. Otherwise, it will be very easy for you to lose your account. That's why I always keep an eye on Forex Factory for major news events. This is our fundamental analysis, and now you can see there is a bullish SMT on the higher time frame. So we can see that the market can go up, but if the news came like bearish, bullish for gold, then it will be bearish, bullish for dollar, then it will be bearish for gold. Then the market will take this low, and it also hit our this one point, and from here we will interested in buying, and I'll show you how we can buy from here. Only 3 minutes are left, and then the news will come. First of all, always change your time UTC minus New York local time, and also change your Forex factory time to UTC minus 4. Then it will be easy for you to trade. So this is our NDO. Let me change the color of even on 8:30. We want the market to go down if we want to buy, and we want to go up if we want to sell. So let's see, only 2 minutes are left, and let's see what the news. This is 1 hour time frame. Now let me move down to 5 minutes. Like let me tell you, if there is a higher time frame PDRA, like that can be mitigation block, order block, fair value gap, or any other PDRA, then you are going to see its effect on its vice versa time frames. Like if you are using a 4 hour PDRA, then you are going to use 15-minute time frame for entry, and same if you are using 1 hour time frame, then you are going to use 5 minutes for entry. And if you are using 15-minute time frame, then you are going to enter on 1 minute. But always have do top down analysis for a clear view of the market. So let's see, we are not here to predict the news in which direction it will go. We have nothing to do with the news. It doesn't matter where it will go. Like if you have extra money which you want to lose, or you want to double in one trade, then you can do news trading. Like find authentic broker, and then you put money there, and then you can trade CPI, FMC, or NFP. Move down 1 minute time frame. Let's see, I think it should sell. Let's see, it is selling. Like, see, it has hit our, almost hit our. Now see, this is why you should not trade news. Can you see? Hmm. Let the market settle. When the high impact news came, wait for at least 15 minutes for any kind of trade. Like, I'm not going to tell you that buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Like, this is like, if the market has, if you have even put a stop loss, on the wherever the 1 minute candle close, there your stop loss is going to hit. Like, it is, if you have put your stop loss here, it is not going to hit here, it is going to hit here where the market has closed. If I move to 15-minute time frame now, the market has took our liquidity, this liquidity, this is our liquidity. Now it is moving up towards, as we told that the market is bullish, but not still. I want that the market must took this liquidity, but it has not took yet. This is 1 hour time frame, and if I mark these highs, this is our drawn liquidity, this is also our drawn liquidity. Still the direction of the market is not clear, but the news has come. Now there is a lot of liquidity into the market, and the market will go in which direction it wants to go. What is this? Let me tell you. This is low resistance liquidity run. This area. Market can easily go into this. This is our low resistance liquidity runs. Why? Because the market has not retraced much. That's why. If you have any question, you can ask. I'll answer them. But first of all, we are waiting the market to settle first. So we are on the 1 minute time frame now, and let's see as the market took this. Whatever the news come, consider news as manipulation. This is all manipulation. Last rally's highs and lows are also of great importance for us. But first of all, what the market do? Market do accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Like this. This is accumulation. If the market wants to manipulate, it is going to manipulate up. If it wants to go down. See the why the market did like this. Unemployment claims was bearish news for dollar, so that's why the market went up. but three news were bullish for dollar. That's why in the starting the market went down first and then up, because this was a fourth news. Many people are going to think that this is resistance. This is not resistance. This is liquidity, and the market is going to take this soon, because we also have bullish SMT. But what I wanted to see to take this strong liquidity. It has not took, but let's see. Like gold is very volatile asset. Like this is 20, 23 to 20, like 50 pips in just 50 seconds. I do not generally trade. Like I also show you the macro time today. Macro time is last 10 minutes and first 10 minutes of every hour. What is macro time? Like the market wants to go opposite direction in which the hourly candle has formed. Let's see if we move to 1 hour time frame. See the candle is, we can see is bullish. Bullish candle is 1 hour bullish candle. This is, and we have to wait at least up to 8:50, and then if we want to take a trade, if the market give us a confirmation on the lower time frame, then we can take a trade in the opposite direction of this candle. But if the market has not took liquidity, like then we can trade with the trend. This is the more always learn to use Fibonacci retracement, like this. See, above 50% is our premium and below 50% is our discount of our 5 minute time frame. Now the market is looking bullish. Let's see. Oh, let me. This concept is called double perch. Like if the market wants to go up, firstly it will knock down below this like candles. Take stop losses of people if there is any to start its actual move. From where we should expect to buy. Like it should take this liquidity, and I also have put a trade. Let's see. I am not going to give any signals, and it is almost 25 pips in profit. It should go up. It should go up. But, but. Gold. Gold is the best. One more big candle, and that will be enough. But let's see on the silver is also doing the same thing. Gold and silver. Gold and silver. So down there is a fair value gap. Let's see if the market hold this or not. Market. Yes, I am not considering the week just because that week is of news. Like news is all just manipulation, but I have just used that body. Has predicted it is going up, taking this liquidity. Like I told you, I think here I have took a trade and it is almost 20 50 pips almost, and I am going to close here. It can go here, but I am going to close. So it's done. Like ask any question if you have. This was overdrawn liquidity, but it has, like when the market wants to take drawn liquidity, like at least 20 pips above this mark, must go at least 20 pips above. Like it is again doing the same thing. It has just hit this and going like just trapping people. Now if I draw again our Fibonacci retracement, then I consider not this 1 second, not this one or this one. So again there is also a fair value gap here. That was our fair value gap. Last one. Like you don't have to, you can take even trades against the bias, but you must if you have a bias, then it will be easy. Like see what I have told you. If I have holded that trade from here to there, then it will be a better profit, but I am a trader is never happy, become never happy. Like if he hit a the like the sign of a trader that you have become a trader is that you don't feel happy or sad with profit or loss. That's the thing. See, the market has took our down liquidity. As I told you, when the market hit here and when the market took this low, I told you that this is a double purge. And in the starting, I told you that we have a bullish SMT, but I wanted to see to take this one, but market has not took. But here I told you that I have to cut trade, and I almost closed there, but it is going up because like you can get better risk to reward ratio if you use the lower time frame, but first have a grip on the higher time frame. Like what is up there now? On the upside there is low resistance liquidity runs, we have a bullish SMT, so we are bullish. So that's all how I took this trade. I think it was you have understood some things. Now if I want to take a next trade, I'll wait. Like let me show you now. I'll tell you many things today. See now if I move to 1 hour time frame, just see the market has took this liquidity, and what I want to see now, here the time now is 8:49 a.m. The last 10 minutes and first 10 minutes of every hour is our macro time. And what I have told you on macro time, what you can expect that the market can go opposite direction of the our hourly candle. But here what I have told you in the starting, that there is low resistance liquidity run. Whenever there is low resistance liquidity run, market can go up very easily through it. Like if there is no retracement, there are only orders, and there has also come a high impact news, so it can go up there very easily. I think I should hold that trade. Okay, what we can do now? Now if I want to take a trade, I'll use this macro time last 10 minutes or the first 10 minutes, or I'll take the next trade on 9:30 and the next trade I'll take on after 10 a.m. I only generally take 3 to 4 trades per day. Not per day, but during New York session. Like sometimes also I always do rule based trading. If you don't have rules, write your rules on your register or anything or notebook and then trade according to them. Otherwise it will be difficult. At least like this live stream. So now there is 8:51 a.m. and this is hourly candle, and now we move down to 5 minute time frame. See the market is here is this one is also our liquidity. I think it can go up, but I don't want to take the reversal trade here. I only want to take reversal if the market take 1 hour high or low at the macro time only. But here it has not did like that. But let's see. This is 5 minute time frame, and this is only imbalance down there. There is also here, but gold move almost, if you see the history of gold, it move almost 500 pips daily average movement, even sometimes more than that, sometimes less than that. But during like good day, this is a high impact news day and we can expect. Okay, I want 1 hour. When there is a imbalance like this, don't sell then at the macro time. But what if it sells from there? It sells, doesn't matter if it sells from there. Only going to take a trade on your rules, on your game plan. Like I know almost 25 indicators and I don't use any of them. Like because indicators are lagging, because price form first and then indicators follow them. That's why. This only buy from discount and only sell from premium. In this way, you are going to get better risk to reward ratios. And let me tell you about win rate. Win rate is just a scam. Like win rate does not matter. Like Richard Dennis was a great trader. He made almost $400 million from trading, and his accuracy was just 10%. So that's why win rate is the least thing you should care about, and you should care about more about risk to reward ratio. At the end, what matter how much money is going into your account and how much you are losing. You don't have any questions, ask questions. If you have anything in your mind you want to ask, I'll answer them. This is 1 minute order block. Why? Because the market has took this liquidity. Whenever there is order block and with a fair value gap, it is of great importance. But now, here we cannot take a trade because this is a macro time. We can take, but we should not take this trade. The market can wick can go below that fair value gap, but it should close inside this fair value gap if it wants to go up. But the time you can see the closing of 1 hour time frame, so that's why we cannot take such a risk. The concepts are applicable on all the time frames. You can use any time frame, and the concepts are going to remain the same, like the fair value gap, order block, premium discount, mitigation block, order block, or whatever it is. Let's see on the silver if there is any SMT. See, there is SMT there. Silver has took this low, but gold has not. What it means? It means when the silver will go up now, the gold market is going to go up. So still we can say that the gold is bullish in simple terms. The formation, sometimes after predicting I think that I should take that trade, but it happens. This is trading. What we can do? We are going to miss setups. Patience is the most important thing. If you only master patience, it will be very beneficial for you. Any of you have any question about order block, fair value gap, premium discount, or anything, you can ask me. I'll answer them because we are free. Now the new or candle is going to form here, and let's see what happens. It should take this low if it wants to go up. Here is our early wick. What 50% of the wick is consequent encroachment, 50% of our fair value gap is mean threshold, and any other guys, we can look now. If I move to 1 minute, let's see. Premium discounts changes. Like you can see, if we have took this trade from here, perhaps we whenever the market goes into 10 or 20 pips in your favor, take your stop loss to break even. In this way, it is going to help you in the long run. But this was the formation of the 1 hour candle. That's why it has took this low. Otherwise, it will go up. Like here, you can see easily. This is where is our premium discount. We are in discount now, but wait. If you want to buy, wait. If the market take this low, only then. If the market again take even this low, then our premium discount will be again this one, from this low to this high, and we cannot consider this weak because of manipulation of the news. So what will be the extra confirmation then? The extra confirmation can be silver. This is market has took this low, has took this one, has not took this one, not took this one. Almost going the same now. Don't have SMT. Okay, okay, okay. Gold is gold. Gold is gold. Old is gold or gold is gold. I think I should. I missed this one. Like never jump in front of a moving train. Like we have missed this entry from here. We knew at that time it will go up, but we should not buy from here because we don't know if it starts to go down. Then in this way we are going to get lower risk to reward ratios. But let 3 minutes. Let's see if the gold, silver has took, gold has not took. So this is a risky entry. We cannot take a trade. If there is, SMT is a great confirmation, but sometimes it works, sometimes very little it doesn't, but most of the time it works. Like see, the gold has took this high, not took this high, but silver has took. So what we can expect? We cannot take a buy trade from here. This is what we can expect. This is 26.25. Let's see. The market has moved up, and if we move to 1 hour, see the market is coming down. It is doesn't look to go up in interested. Let's see. If we see this week this high of silver, the market has not took yet, but of gold it has took. With respect to this one, we can expect it will be bullish, but at this point when we were trying to predict a buy, it was risky because there was an SMT there. That's why if all the variables align, then only take a trade. If there was a bullish SMT here, I'll definitely bearish SMT here. I'll definitely sell from here, but here is not. All the concepts. This time I think the market should go to external liquidity. The market has not got into these lows. Let's see. With respect to this one, same, no SMT. With respect to this one, no SMT. Yeah, no. If we move to 5 minute time frame, like there is a very big fair value gap down there, and this is our 5 minute order block, and move to 15 minute. Then this is just this is the main thing. Then market has took the last hour high. This works if you analyze it closely. Your trades, you will see whenever the market wants to go up or down, it will take the last hour high or low, especially at silver bullet time. Like when is the silver bullet time during New York session? It is during from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, but Tori, you know about Tori trades. She only trades from a trend line. Trend line. She's a trend line trader only, and she makes a lot of money. Like you don't need everything in order to make money from the market. What you need is risk management and psychology and a game plan. Why a trend line forms? Just because market moves from premium to discount, discount to premium, premium to discount. Just because of this, and you can see here is a trend line formed there because the market has took this low, and people were thinking that this is market structure shift, and they have sold from there, and it was a trap because the market do this. The market move like this for most of the time. I have seen when the market has took one or two times from discount to premium on the lower time frame, it or the higher time frame, it will come down to take the this low liquidity before going up. What if the market break this trend line? Then what we are going to think? It has the market structure has shifted? Not. because this is 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's see if there is a bullet there. No, still not. The market has took the external range liquidity. Now it is moving towards internal. Yeah, like in our internal range liquidities, fair value gap, and our external range liquidities, highs and lows. But there is a huge imbalance here. Let's see if the market goes into this before moving up. Like our bias is going to remain the same. We cannot. Never ever take trade like support resistance. It is going to, like, if you want to use support resistance, then use of 1 day or 1 month or 1 week. Then only it is going to work. Here is 1 minute order block. Let's see. It is. I think the market is in consolidation of a little bit. If you only want to trade, just trade from 9:30, because at 9:30 equity opens and a lot of volume comes into the market, and then it will decide the direction of the market. Like we have took one trade, I think we have took at this point, and I closed there at almost 50 pips, and then it took external range liquidity here, and it is moving towards internal that I have shown you on the 15 minute, and wait for 9:30 before taking any trade. And best of luck. If you have any question, then you can ask. I'm still waiting. Only one person have asked, and I have told him that why I have not used this whole week, just because of the news. Okay then, thank you for watching. See you some other day. Best of luck.